boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And you know what? We have some special helpers today. We have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And Miss Nicole.
Hi.
And Miss Sophia.
Hi.
And we have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And we also have another special guest. We have Dr. Ryan Hayes. Welcome, Dr. Hayes.
Hi, boys and girls.
Now, Carter, can you tell me why Dr. Hayes is a really special guest?
Because he's a scientist.
And what else?
He's my daddy.
That's right. And boys and girls, today we're going to be popping popcorn, and we're going to be talking about popcorn. And Dr. Hayes is a chemist, so he can tell us some really good facts about the nutrition of popcorn. It's really good for us, isn't it, Dr. Hayes?
It is fantastic for you. I'm glad I can be a part of this.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, I love
well,
popcorn.
You know what? You'll have to talk loud because I need to turn our popcorn on so it'll start popping.
Now, I know how to talk loud.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Because I've got some popped already, but we want to pop some more because that way each of you are going to be able to pop it, and then we're going to have fun putting all kinds of different toppings on our popcorn.
Sounds exciting.
That way you can each make it your own way. Won't that be fun? Who likes popcorn?
Me.
Oh, me.
Oh, I love
Oh, me
popcorn.
too.
And you know what? This popcorn is a special Indian corn blend. It's a special blend of Indian popcorn. Isn't it pretty? Can you see all the colors? Look at this. Look at all those cool colors. What colors do you see?
Red. Black.
Yeah, look at that.
Gray.
Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's put this. Now, you know what's special about this popper? This popcorn popper? This is an air popper. So we're not using oil to pop it. So it's going to be even healthier for us, okay? So we're going to turn it on. You ready?
Yep.
Ooh, yeah, let's do it.
All right. And then, Dr. Hayes, while we're waiting for this to pop, tell us about some of the health benefits of popcorn.
Oh, yeah. Popcorn is awesome. It's full of so many great minerals, but even the things that are probably the most exciting is the fiber that's in it. But, you know, one of the great things that we should learn about popcorn first is how does it even pop? What makes it pop? Does any of the boys and girls know? Ben, do you?
Maybe it gets hot.
Okay, it gets hot. We know we need to get it hot. Does anyone else know how popcorn pops? Maybe the boys and girls. I wonder if they've heard about that. Anybody
Do you know, Sophia, how does popcorn pop? What makes it pop?
Air.
Oh, I bet you Dr. Hayes is going to tell us.
This is so exciting. There's a little bit of water inside of all of those kernels. And when they get hot, the water inside starts to get real excited and it wants to just pop out. And it's the exploding water inside that makes the popcorn kernel turn inside out, and you see all the white that's inside of it. Isn't that neat? It's just
cool?
a little bit of water. Yeah. So you're heating the water inside of the popcorn. Oh, there's so many other great things, but that fiber that's in the popcorn, what that does is when you eat all that popcorn, the fiber in there helps to move all the food through your digestive system, and you have a long digestive system. Stomach and intestines and all that food you eat the rest of the day needs some help getting through there, and popcorn can really help that.
Isn't that interesting, Nicole? Yeah.
Wow, does anyone want to be a scientist when they grow up?
Oh,
we got a few scientists?
Oh, I think you'd make a good scientist. Do you want to be a scientist? No?
No? Maybe I'll convince some of you guys to do that.
I want to.
Oh,
you want
excellent.
to, Ben? And can you tell us other the nutrients in popcorn?
Oh, yeah. Some of the great nutrients that are in popcorn include calcium and magnesium, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. And calcium, does anybody know, have you ever heard of where you use calcium in your body?
I know. How do you use calcium in your body?
Anybody know?
Oh, your bones.
That's right, Miss Cinda. Your bones are made out of calcium and phosphorus and some other things. And so you're really giving some minerals for your bones to grow when you eat popcorn. Isn't that great? Yeah, and there's some magnesium in there. Magnesium people don't talk too much about, but it's an important nutrient that helps a lot of your body's proteins and enzymes work. And so they help to chew up the popcorn and help get the nutrition out of your food. So magnesium is very important. That also helps your bones too. Wow, this is really starting to pop.
So this is a healthy snack.
This is a wonderful, healthy snack. We like to eat it in our household, don't we, Carter?
And do you know that this Indian blend, this Indian corn, this is non-GMO. So those that have the celiac disease and stuff, they can eat that.
That's right.
Look at
That's
this.
right, and it's low in sugar and gluten-free. These make these great snacks and foods for everybody who has different dietary issues.
And it's low in calories.
Oh, yeah, low in calories.
Yeah. And when you air pop it, then you have low in fat.
That's right.
And we're just gonna, we'll show you how we just spray a little bit of olive oil spray on it, and then our seasonings will stick to it. You'll see that. Look, isn't that cool? What do you think, Sophia? Look in there. Is that popping?
Yeah.
Do you guys see the different colors in the kernels?
Yes.
Yeah?
I thought the black kernel, maybe, how come it doesn't turn black? We don't see any black popcorn in there.
I see.
You see
do?
some? That's because the popcorn kernel turned inside out, and it's all white on the inside for all of them.
There's another popcorn kernel that barely popped.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, some of them don't pop as much, and I wonder, Dr. Hayes, if that's because they don't have enough moisture inside
I
of them.
think you're right, Miss Cinda. They may not have had enough water in there, or they didn't get hot enough. They kind of got moved up with the other popcorn. It looks like it's about done.
I think it's about done. Let's turn it over.
Ooh, this is exciting.
Ooh! I love popcorn. It's one of my favorite things.
Oh, wow, that is great.
Oh, I'm gonna set this right over here.
One popped again.
Yeah, it's still getting hot in there, so you got to be careful. Right when you take it off there, it's still hot. So you want to give it about 30 seconds.
And look, I forgot, don't touch the seeds yet. I forgot to put the lid on, and this will be hot because those are the seeds that didn't pop. So who wants to try some then you can flavor your own. And I've got some extra too.
Ooh,
so
good.
I brought extra. So hold your bowls over here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spray a little bit. And maybe, Dr. Hayes, you could spray everybody's popcorn for me.
Yeah,
And then, so boys and girls, what we're going to do is we're going to spray it. And now you get to choose your toppings. So let's see. We have regular salt. Let me spray yours.
Where's the regular salt?
Oh, we don't have regular salt. Sorry. We have pink Himalayan salt. Isn't this pretty? Because on Tiny Tots, we like color.
Hey, that's right.
Plus, this is a really special salt. So you've got pink Himalayan salt. We've got nutritional yeast flakes. So, and we've got McKay's instant chicken seasoning, and it's a vegan chicken seasoning. I love this chicken seasoning on it. We've got hickory smoked dried torula yeast. That's a nutritional yeast too. And then we have a seasoned salt. So what would you guys like on your popcorn?
The first one that you said it was.
The Himalayan
The Himalayan?
salt?
Okay.
Oh, that'd
be
fun.
careful because it's the shaker, it's large holes.
Yeah.
What would you like on yours? Oh, Ben!
Yeah, that's okay.
You might want to add some more popcorn to that.
If you shake it, the salt will go to the bottom.
Oh, that's true.
Yep, and
what
then
would
the
you
salt
like
will
on
stay
yours,
there.
Sophia?
That happens in our household a few times.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can take a spoon and sprinkle a little on. What would you like, Nicole?
Just need a little bit.
You want this, okay? You just need a little. What would you like, Carter? You want this? Okay, now be
Okay.
really careful. You saw how
Yeah.
it came out. So you just want to really gently sprinkle it.
We practice sprinkling a lot.
Ooh,
I think you can do it.
let's try
Perfect,
our
perfect.
popcorn.
All right. Good job.
And you know what? You can make popcorn balls.
Mm-hmm.
You can make caramel corn. You can make kettle corn. Do you know what kettle corn is? When you're popping it, you can, you can do it on the stove. If you pop it in a kettle on the stove, you can pop it with a little bit of oil and a little bit of sugar. And it coats it with a glaze.
Yeah, that's good.
Excuse me, Cinda, could I have that?
The yeast flakes?
Uh-huh.
Try your popcorn. See if
Oh,
you
he
like it.
does.
Do you want something else on yours too? What would you like? What would you like on yours? The salt?
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
sprinkle it very careful.
Hey, Cinda, at first I think it's going to come out in big chunks, but then when you do
Oh
it...
yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Did you guys try your popcorn? See if you
Let's
like
try
it?
it.
Yeah.
What
You
would
want
like
some
to
of this?
try?
Okay, put a little bit. You want some of this?
Okay, just
Oh,
be careful.
boys and girls, do you like to flavor your popcorn? What's your favorite flavor? Because you know what? There's all kinds of things you can put on your popcorn.
Could you please pass the
The
red
season?
stuff?
Yeah,
This
the
one,
season.
the seasoned salt?
Uh-huh.
So mix it together.
What would you like?
Mix it all together.
You want to smell it first?
Oh, okay.
That has like a hickory smoked flavor.
That's
That
fun. You
smell
can
good?
Make all sorts of flavors.
Mmm. Who's gonna try their popcorn?
Me.
I'm gonna try the popcorn. Mmm.
What did you want to use?
Mmm.
Okay, let's try some of the
You want
seasoned
some?
salt
Oh,
down
you
here.
guys are just making a whole mixture of popcorn.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's our kitchen timer. We're almost out of time, boys and girls. Mmm. You want?
Mm.
There
Is that
you
good?
go.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a
Did
lot
you
of
try
fun.
your popcorn?
Here, let's try some over here.
Mm.
Thanks.
It's good.
And you know what? You know
Okay,
what
let's mix
I
it all
like with
together.
my popcorn? Oh, I left it on the kitchen counter. Look. Look what goes with popcorn really good.
Ooh.
Apple.
Oh, how did you know?
Fruit. We like to eat lots of fruit with our popcorn.
Anybody want an apple with their
Mix it
popcorn?
together.
Yeah.
Oh, let me find a
Could you
knife.
please pass the Nick case?
Oh, yeah. Here.
The
Let me
McKays?
pass it down. Here you go.
Oh, let me go to the kitchen, by the kitchen cupboard here.
Let's try 'em
I got a
again.
knife.
We try some?
Oh, and I
they're
got
good
2
flavors.
more apples. Who wants an apple with their popcorn? Boys and girls, doesn't this look like a nice, healthy snack? You know, we need to eat healthy so that we have healthy bodies, don't we, Dr. Hayes?
Oh, absolutely.
Because if we eat healthy, it'll help. Here, Nicole, here's yours. If we eat healthy, then it helps us
thank you.
to not be sick, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sophia. Here, we don't want to eat it if it's on the ground. We'll get it later. There you go.
Really?
Isn't that yummy? Oh, boys and girls, that's all the time we have for now. Thank you for being with us, Dr.
Oh,
Hayes.
glad to be here.
And boys and girls, always remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.